such a big mess. That was crazy. Hey.
Hey, welcome to Bryan's Way.
And today
We're doing a volcano.
we sure are. We got vinegar
Baking soda and food coloring.
and food coloring. So what are we doing? Let's put like a couple of drops. Let's put like 4 or 5 drops in there. Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job.
Now when you
That was, what color was that?
red,
Red.
yellow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Ooh, that's a lot. And then here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's it, that's it. Oh my God, that's it. That's so many colors, dude. That was crazy. What color you want to do first?
Red.
Red first. So, what we gotta put inside there to make a volcano?
Vinegar.
Is that vinegar? It sure is. How much vinegar?
I don't know.
Go ahead, try. Let's see what happens. Be careful. What? Dude, put more. 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 Oh, it made, what color is that?
Red.
So cool.
I like more.
A little bit more? Okay, that's it. That was crazy. Okay, a little bit more. What? Okay, okay. It sort of did explode it. Now we're gonna do a different color. What color you gonna do now?
Green.
Okay.
And then yellow.
Yep.
It's orange or yellow?
I don't know. Let's see what happens.
This one.
What? Okay, that's it. We gotta save some for later. Dude, that's crazy.
Green.
No, that's green? You sure? Let's see, go ahead. Wow, that was awesome. Alright. Oh, such a big mess. We got the last one now. Look at that. That one came out cool. Put the next one. Let's see. Yeah.
Oh!
See?
Look!
Put more. Put more. What? Okay, now we're gonna mix this one. Put all the colors here. Put all the colors. Here you go. Put this one. Okay, that's enough. The blue one.
And the red one.
Okay. Now put the vinegar.
Okay. You ready?
All of it. Yes, I'm ready. What? Come on, put more. Put all of it. Come on.
That's it.
That's it. How awesome is that? That was so cool.
I want to do these 3.
Put them all.
I want to do green mixed with red, mixed with yellow, and blue
Okay,
mixed
yeah.
with green,
Okay, do the vinegar. That's it.
and red
Okay.
mixed with some blue.
Okay, now put the vinegar in all of them.
Look at cherry purple.
Okay. All of them. This one too. This one, some here. Some here. Here. What? That one. The rest. Wow.
Then put
Dude.
the water to mix.
You gonna mix them all?
Oh, no.
Big mess. Alright. That's it.
Look at this.
Tell everybody, make sure to subscribe,
Make sure to subscribe,
to like and share.
like, and share.
Thumbs up. Bryan's Way.